To add a registration form to Wix, you need to create a custom sign-up or registration form. Start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. Then click on Contact and Forms. Select the blank form option to create a custom form from scratch. Drag and drop the form onto your web page and click on it to open the form settings. In the form settings, click on the Add Field button to start adding fields to your registration form. You can add various types of fields such as text, email, phone number, and drop-down menus. Make sure to add the necessary fields that you want to collect information from your users, such as name, email, and password. To make your form more secure, you can add a CAPTCHA field to prevent spam submissions. You can also add a Submit button to your form and customize its text and design. Once you have added all the necessary fields and settings, click on the Connect to Database button to connect your form to a database. This will allow you to store the submitted data and view it later. After connecting your form to a database, you can customize the form's notification settings. You can set up notifications to be sent to yourself or your users after a form submission. Finally, click on the Publish button to publish your web page and make your registration form live. You can now test your form by filling it out and submitting it to make sure it is working correctly. By following these steps, you can create a custom registration form on Wix and start collecting user information in a secure and organized way. Remember to always follow best practices for form design and security to ensure a smooth user experience.